Better than God, cause I was going nowhere. Like a child's letter to God, the life's road was hard. I was never so lost that I looked for an answer in a medicine box. I never did pop pills or cocktails, just rock tills. Kids with skills, got a rise for cops still. They had me in the back of the paddy, down the lockup. Smack me, pat me down for a bag, moms to rock up. And bail me out if I you're out once again next weekend. Bail me out drunk again, and I never will forgive myself for putting you through all that hell. I went from high school dropout to factory labourer, slave to the clock until 4. Went from sleeping on the floor to being out on tour. Now there's not with me, I finished with the bang like a Cobain's biography.
Going down the hard road,
down the high road,
don't know where I've been,
and don't know where to go. It's like
going down the hard road,
down the high road.
don't know where I've been.
You thought life was cheap, well it changed that I wanted was enough to buy a trip. Was on a path to nowhere in the heart of the road. The more broken baggage we carry, the larger the load. The school drop bag, I'm knocked out, chased by the cops out. Got clout, dumped for my girlfriend and locked out. Been broken being, even choked to beating. And don't conceive and never lost hope and dreaming. We used to thrash boosted cars, silver engine and fail. If I never had bail, maybe I'll be dead or in jail. Oh man, I got no one else to blame. I thank my family and music for keeping me sane. But that's the breaks, right? Started working late nights, never seeing daylight, getting paid like a slave might. And I've done too many years to miss this for my missus, to have to tell my son he nearly never existed.
Going down the hard road,
Down the high road,
don't know where I've been,
and don't know where to go. It's like
going down the hard road,
down the high road.
don't know where I've been.
Trying to break the more to break it down like
Rough, cause the road gets rough. Rough, cause the road gets
And I speak what I feel in the booth, in the spirit of truth. Cause all these kids that I meet, man, they mirror my youth. And I could've gone the wrong way,
easy option,
but I chose to go the long way.
streets are watching, so
So keep a look out, beat ballers, keep your hook up, pull a page, rip my book out, and pull out your finger, put your foot out, and keep a look out for what we put out, the brand new flavor when you cook out.